All right, today we're going to collect data using your Chromebook and the LabQuest Mini and the motion detector. We're going to watch a ball. The ball is going to go up, the ball is going to come down, and that's all we're going to do. And then we're going to take a look at the data that is generated by that. So one of you will be doing the ball, and one of you will be hitting the collect button. So there's no need for you to do it at the exact same time. Don't try and do that. Have somebody hit collect, then toss your ball and catch your ball, and then just let it finish up. Okay? So hit the collect. Not very good. So let's try again. Very good. So that is what the data looks like when you first collect it. And now we're going to zoom in and take a look at what it looks like after that. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at our data, and I'm going to zoom this data from 2 seconds to 3 seconds by just clicking and dragging there, and then I click on this plus button, and you can see I've zoomed that in. Now I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to zoom from 2 seconds to 3 seconds and click on the plus here, and now you can see the two graphs. The first graph is the distance versus time graph. You can see that it starts off close to just under 0.2 meters from the motion detector, and then it goes up to just under a meter and then comes back down. And that's what we expect from the ball as the ball goes up and the ball comes down. I also want to look at my data. So in the upper right hand corner there's this little box where we can look at our data, and I'm going to turn on the data table. And so now we've got off to the side, this is our first data set. This was the data set that had the errors in it. So I'm going to remove that data set. I can do that by saying delete data set. And that deletes the one that was bad. And now I have data set 2. Now you guys need to remember which one was your good data set and which one was your bad data set if you had any. We're in our data set, and we're going to start at 2 seconds. And if we scroll down to 3 seconds or just a little past, this is the data that we're going to put on our data table on page 18. So we need to copy the time in seconds, and those are in the headers up here of the columns. We need to put the position in meters, and we need to put the the velocity in meters per second. So these three things will go into your data table so that you can graph this data yourself, because you're going to recreate these graphs, but you need to have the data first. So go on and copy this data into your data table, and then we will discuss how to graph your data in the next video.